Hey, y'all, look at this. Bitcoin sitting at $35,825, falling off a cliff. Ethereum down to 2663. Everything's going out of control. People are freaking out. We even look at the crypto fear greed indicator here. Extreme fear in the marketplace. But I love it. I love market conditions like this because it fizzles out all the fakers, fizzles out all the people that aren't really long-term, believers in the tech. I love this because there is huge opportunity here. We look at the crypto bubbles here, nothing but blood on the streets. Apecoin down to 40.3%. And, I want to see Apecoin go to single digits. That's where I want to see. And, call it what you want. I'm just looking for opportunities. I see that there's huge sales. I like Apecoin. But like I said, I definitely think it's a little bit overvalued, and want to see it in the single digits. You see here, like I said before, mostly, these are what we look at when we look at market conditions. All red. If double digit negative percentages when we look at what's down, and you have a few that are up, and I just do not like that. Like I say in almost every video when we cover price action, if everything's down and you have a couple that are not just up but up double digits, that concerns me and I'm staying away. So you can see here what that is, and call it what you want, but this is the time. This is the time to accumulate. This is the time when millionaires are made. We'll go over our portfolio. Like I said, we reach 100,000 subs. We're going over the portfolio. You'll see why we talk about accumulating during times like this. Looking at our technical analysis here, we see that we did break that level of support here, clearing it and making a new low, which was to be expected. We did go over Ethereum and see that there was a couple scenarios that we'd look at. And you see here we have this arrow pointing down. So I do have Ethereum breaking and closing below 2437. So this was a scenario of how we could go up, and you see here we didn't even clear 2975. I don't even think we got close per se. I think we got to 2960. So we didn't clear the area I was talking about to give this bullish prediction, but we, right now we're headed to clear 2437, which I'm cool with. It's accumulation season, guys. That's all it is. It's not, we call it a bear market, call it what you want. This is accumulation season. Here's my prediction with Bitcoin. Just doing this straight off the cuff, no prep or anything. As we see here, we did make a new low. And going to the higher time frame, for a top-down analysis of what we're looking at here, I'm okay. And I'm gonna continue to say this. Swing high to swing low. I'm okay looking at our fibs. I'm actually okay with us pulling back to 33,430. And that's kind of based off of the Fibonacci retracement zones. Like I said, if we break 28, there's a long way down, guys. There's a long way down. I'm okay with either scenario, just for the record. I'm okay with either scenario. I don't, for me, it's all good. This is accumulation season. I think Bitcoin is extremely undervalued. I think that a six-figure Bitcoin really is undervalued, because I think $1 million Bitcoin is really where the true valuation is. All these prices are even 68. All these 5-figure digits. That's not it. Bitcoin is a 7-figure asset. So let me just get that clear so you guys can understand why I'm okay in bear markets. I got into crypto in a bear market, so for me, this is all I know. So you guys can kind of understand my sentiment. But that's kind of what we're looking at here when we look at the charts. We pull this over a little bit so you guys can see, but we look at the charts here. Right now, the next target for me is 33,430. Final level of support here before we're really going to fall off a cliff, in my opinion, is 28.8. $28,859.17. That's my level of major support. If it breaks that level, we're falling off a cliff, and it's gonna be quite the time, because for me, in my analysis, the next The next level of support is 13,660. That's my next level of support if we break 28.8. So just be mindful of that. That's what I'm looking at. I'm not calling it either way, but I'm giving sharing with you guys my framework to allow you guys to react and respond to the market. It's not necessarily about predicting. It's really just about reacting to what the charts give you. They give you an ability to respond to the market to take good positions. We already know don't buy near all-time highs. People that bought at 68,955, where it's never been that price before, it just doesn't make sense. Don't buy near all-time highs. But the next level of support, if we break 28.8, is 13,661. We might be in for a ride, but we'll see. We're gonna keep diving in week after week. I can say, 1, 2, 3. We could buy maybe 3-4 weeks to see where we're at. Right now, my EMAs are crossed bearish. The blue's under the red, as you guys can see. And there's nothing really indicating anything to be stopping us. Everyone's saying, maybe the ETH merge may give us the push we need. I don't necessarily think that will be enough as ETH has continued to delay. But there is an opportunity for that. So we'll take a look. That's my analysis here. Same thing goes for Ethereum. Ethereum falling off a cliff. I got Ethereum. If it breaks 24.37, the next level of support would be $1,757. So those are two extreme points. We'll see what happens. We're going to be going over everything in Technical Tuesdays. Every Tuesday, diving into technical analysis. Please use this as an opportunity. Don't fall into this fear. Do not fall into this extreme fear. See it as an opportunity to accumulate for massive gains. This is where the gains are made. I'm going to be honest with you. This is where the gains are made for massive profits. When people, look at these and are selling because they're fearful. You see XRP at 59 cents. You see Solana at $81. You see Cardano at 77 cents. This is opportunity. This is not a time to be fearful. This is not a time to sell. This is a time to accumulate, in our opinion, not financial advice. So thank you for tuning in to Clockwise Crypto, where we help you move forward towards financial freedom with crypto assets. We'll see you soon.